First, in a big bowl, I've taken 1 kilogram mince. Now I'm adding the masala: 1 teaspoon crushed red chili, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon green chili paste, 1½ tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, and salt, 1 teaspoon or to your taste. Now we'll mix this well with hands, just like we knead dough. Make sure all masala goes evenly into the mince. Now for that lovely smoky flavor, I've placed a small bowl right in the middle of the mince and put a burning coal in it, adding just a few drops of oil on top of the coal for that nice smoke. Cover it quickly so all the flavor gets locked in. Leave it covered for just 1 to 2 minutes, then we'll remove the bowl and set the mince aside. Alright, now I've heated ½ cup oil in a pot. Once the oil is a bit hot, add 3 medium onions, sliced. We'll fry these till they're golden brown. Now I'm adding the mince that we prepared earlier. Let's fry this well for about 10 to 12 minutes so the mince gets nicely browned and cooked. At this stage, I'm adding 1 tablespoon crushed coriander and 1 teaspoon cumin. Give it a good mix so the aroma of the spices blends in. Now add 3 medium tomatoes cut in small pieces. Cook this until the tomatoes become soft and the oil starts to separate. That's when you'll know the masala is ready. When you see the oil separate, turn off the flame for now. Now in a large fry pan, I've added ½ cup oil. In this plate, I'm showing you the whole spices I'll add: 2 black cardamoms, 1 star anise, 2 bay leaves, 4 to 5 green cardamoms, 1 tablespoon cumin, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon peppercorns, 3 to 4 cloves. Add these into the oil and fry for 1 to 2 minutes till they release their aroma. I've also shown nutmeg and mace powder in the plate, but we'll add that later, not now. Now let's add 3 medium potatoes cut into medium pieces. Fry these potatoes along with the spices for about 4 to 5 minutes. Next, add ½ cup yogurt, nutmeg and mace powder, and ½ a teaspoon turmeric powder. Give everything a good mix. I'm also adding 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. This gives a beautiful color. Cook until the potatoes start becoming soft. Now I'm adding 1 green chili, covering the pan and cooking on low flame for about 6 to 7 minutes till the potatoes are tender. Once potatoes are soft, turn the mince flame back on and add these prepared potatoes with their masala. Mix gently. Two to 3 stirs and add 1 cup water. Mix again, cover and let it cook for another 10 minutes so all the flavors combine perfectly. After 10 minutes, open the lid, check that the potatoes are soft. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon Kajuri methi, add fresh ginger julienne and lots of fresh coriander. And that's it, our tasty, full of flavor Keema Aloo Masala is ready to serve. Just look at it, I've served it in a bowl and plate for you to see. So delicious and aromatic. Don't forget, which country are you watching from? Comment below and let me know. And yes, please hit that subscribe button for more recipes like this.